Stand is always this, no? If you want to create wealth, you can create wealth in Bitcoin. Okay? Why? Because Bitcoin, the market cap of Bitcoin is only 3 trillion market cap, di ba? While gold nasa 30 trillion na yung market cap niya. So, in terms of upside, meron pang upside ang Bitcoin compared sa gold. But it's not saying na hindi naaakit yung gold. So, paano ka ba pipili? It depends on your risk profile. Yung gold kasi is a safe haven asset for the longest period of time. Diba? Yung Bitcoin is a risk asset. So meaning to say, depende sa stage mo ng buhay, sa stage mo ng career. If you are young, maybe you're in your 20s or 30s, diba? You can take more risk eh. Diba? So kung konti pa lang, you're starting your career, konti pa lang yung naiipon mo, you better save in Bitcoin. Kasi mas malaki yung potential na upside. Time is on your side. You can wait maybe hanggang 60 years old. That's up to you. Now, when you compare it to gold, if you're on your 20s, on your 30s, when you buy gold, maybe gold can from 5,000, maybe it can double to 10,000 in the next probably 5 years or 10 years. Maybe 15,000. So, kung bata ka pa, kaya mo mag-antay. Pero kung nandun ka na sa retirement age, you made it already, meron ka nang naipon, di ba? You want to preserve your wealth. Okay? Hindi ka na pupunta dun sa wealth generation. Punta ka na sa retirement, you just want to preserve your wealth, you preserve it in gold. Diba? Kasi mas less yung risk eh, less yung volatility. Makakatulog ka sa gabi. Yun yung importante. Pagka nandun ka na sa age na pag-retire ka na. So, again, depende yan dun sa